Alright guys, we're gonna do some training. We're gonna do some playing with my dog. You excited, Akira? You excited? Yeah, she's pretty excited. Come on, Akira. Fetch it. You see it? You see it going? Yes, that's a good girl. What you want to do is you pat on the head and take the ball gently from her mouth. You understand that, yeah? And when she's waiting for you throw it. And she catches it. Almost. That's a good girl. I'm going to tell her speak. When she speaks, give it to the ball. Oh, you come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm trying to upload. Come on, Akira. Sorry about that, guys. We're going to go right back into playing. You ready? This is gonna, close the door a bit so she doesn't get out that much. Second, guys, so this is like taking up like 99% of your time, but it's fine. Ready? Ready, girl? Yeah, go get it. Oh shit. Come here. Come here. You see that? Yeah? Yes. Speak. That's a good little one. Watch this trick shot, everybody. Good girl. No, come here. You ready? You ready? Jump. Jump. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, shit. Okay. I'll get it. I just realized too this ball is really bouncy. Trying to pick up. Under the table. Okay. That's just me. Okay. Okay, sit. No, that's lying down, but up. Watch her. Hey, you come here. Put your collar back on. Come here. Sorry, guys. It's gotta. Oh yeah. So what you want to do is put the ball out of the mouth, put the collar on. Got all